If you're looking to provide health insurance for your employees but don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to offer health insurance for employees through Oyster, a platform that makes it simple to manage your team's benefits globally without the headaches. Oyster simplifies global employment by helping companies hire and manage remote employees across different countries. One of its standout features is its ability to help employers provide health insurance to employees, even when they're working remotely in countries around the world. This ensures that your team is covered no matter where they are based. To get started, you'll first want to create an account on Oyster. It's an easy process, and you can get started completely free by using the first link in the description below, which also comes with exclusive bonuses to help you make the most of the platform. You'll be able to see all the details and start setting up your benefits program for employees right away. Once you're signed up, the next step is to select the countries in which you employ people. Oyster's platform supports a wide range of countries, and the great thing is you don't need to worry about country-specific regulations. Oyster takes care of it for you. The platform integrates local laws and ensures that health insurance offerings are compliant, which saves you time and avoids potential legal issues. Oyster will provide you with a list of local health insurance providers in each country where your employees are based. You can customize the level of coverage based on the needs of your team members, making sure they get the health insurance they deserve. This is especially useful for companies with remote employees, as it removes the complexity of trying to navigate multiple health insurance systems across borders. One key benefit of using Oyster is its transparency. You'll be able to see all available plans, their coverage details, and pricing up front. This allows you to make informed decisions about which plan best suits your business and employees, without the pressure or confusion that often comes with selecting insurance. Additionally, Oyster makes it easy to track employee benefits in one place. Whether you're managing a few remote employees or a global team, the platform centralizes all of your data so you can quickly make updates, monitor claims, and ensure everything is running smoothly. The beauty of Oyster lies in its ability to scale with your business. As your team grows and you expand into new regions, you can easily add more employees to the platform and provide health insurance to those in additional countries. This makes it a future-proof solution for growing businesses looking to manage employee benefits with ease. By the end of this guide, you should have a clear understanding of how to provide health insurance for employees through Oyster, and you'll see why this platform is a top choice for global businesses. Remember, you can get started with Oyster for free by using the first link below and take advantage of our exclusive extended free trial. So, whether you're hiring in one country or across multiple continents, Oyster has you covered with hassle-free health insurance management. Don't miss out. Sign up today and start building a benefits plan that's as global as your team.